Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I wanted to share with you 4 really cozy, comfortable, but still kind of chic winter outfits. I've been loving my fashion content recently and I'm so excited. Basically how this whole channel started was outfits of the week. I used to do it for college, then I switched when I was working, and now fashion is just fun for me to put together outfits. So I'm glad you guys are loving them just as much as I am. So I have a couple outfits that I'm gonna kind of talk you through why I put them together, how I put them together, and we're gonna get dressed together because I really like these. I think they're really fun and you guys seem to really like them as well. If there's any specific style or category of outfits that you'd like to see from me, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what your favorite outfit is down below as well. Before we do go ahead and jump in though, I want to say a big shout out to SmartBuyGlasses. You guys know I'm blind, okay? I wear contacts 99% of the time, and I have since I was in, I think, 4th grade. 3rd grade, 4th grade is when I got glasses for the first time. And I feel like recently, I mentioned this in my fall wish list. I wanted to kind of find some glasses that really kind of play up fashion and aren't just boring. I feel like I typically only wear my glasses to bed, but glasses can be so expensive. When they reached out to me, I was like, okay, I'm intrigued. So first of all, they have so many styles, colors, and all of that, which I thought was really cool. But the prices, you guys, I was blown away. If you go into a traditional glasses store, like any of them that you find in your neighborhood, glasses are upwards of $200–300. It's insane, and it's a really big commitment to make, especially when I don't know how much I'm gonna wear and I want to wear them for enhancing outfits or things like that. Just a fun way to play up the fact that I'm blind, not legally, but very, very, very vision impaired, okay? So when I went over to SmartBuyGlasses, I was impressed. First of all, they do virtual try-ons, which is probably the #1 thing for me. If I can't go into the store and actually try them on, I want to physically try them on or virtually try them on online. So you take a picture, it's super easy. I was doing it on a Sunday when we were watching football on the couch. I was going through, and once you take one picture, you just can click on different versions and it'll bring up that same picture you took to try on all the different frame options. And they also do the pupil distance test online as well, which that is something that when I got my prescription done at the eye doctor, I didn't know what it was because they don't typically write it on there. So they do that all online as well, which makes it super convenient and easy. And that is something that if you're ordering glasses online, I've ordered glasses online in the past and I didn't use the pupil distance correctly. I just made up a dang number. Bad. You will regret that. So I was super impressed with the selection that they have. So I wanted to show you the pairs that I picked out. So whether you are on a budget with glasses, or let's say you don't even have insurance coverage. I didn't all growing up. My dad just chose to pay out of pocket because he was, self-employed. So yeah, it can get really expensive for those things. And at the end of the day, either whether it's a basic need or it's something that you just want to kind of have fun with, since we're blind for the rest of our lives, might as well play it up and have fun with it. You should check out SmartBuyGlasses. I swear you will be impressed by their prices, their affordability, and their styles and frames. And they also have designers as well. So let me share with you the glasses that I picked up. So I'm obsessed with green. You guys know I love green. So these first thick old pair of glasses, I'm obsessed. I love these. These fit my face so perfectly. I love the color design of the green. It's stunning. All the glasses come with high quality lenses. They're scratch resistant and anti-reflective coatings, so you don't have any glare on your glasses. They have a wide range of lenses available though. They have progressive, single vision, which is the one that I have, and reading lenses. They also have a variety of different upgrades you can opt for. They have the Z Fort, which is the blue light blocking lenses, transitions lenses, and polarization. But how cute are these blue clear frames? I have a pair of clear frames, but I loved that these are a blue. So stinking fun. I'm obsessed. Next pair of these super cute pair of tortoise ones. I really liked these. I am a big tortoise girl over black. I knew I didn't want black glasses. I feel like they can be a bit harsh on my face, so I like playing up with different colors and patterns, and I loved these tortoise pair. Another green pair, but these are a little bit different. These are kind of a clear green. I don't know. I'm a sucker for green glasses, and these are just so cute. And if you can't tell, I like squares on my face. And then these are very cute. I like the ombre look to them. I have a pair of completely clear glasses like this. I love the little gold detail on the side here. So cute. Just a little bit fun. These are a little bit bigger, but sometimes I like that for when I'm like watching TV or something at night, because like I said, I cannot do anything without contacts or glasses on because I'm blind. I wouldn't even know what you look like if you were standing a foot from my face. So sometimes I like a bigger glasses depending on what I'm doing so that I can see better. Like I can see out of all peripherals, okay? But anyways, if you guys have not checked them out, or if you're looking for glasses within your budget, or you just want to have fun and style some fun glasses with your wardrobe, check out SmartBuyGlasses. They did provide me with a coupon code. I will leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Try out their virtual try on. I swear it really helped me narrow it down because they have so many stinking styles. Like you can get overwhelmed. So try on their virtual, use their virtual try on to nail down your perfect pair, whether it's one pair or a couple pairs. I know you guys are gonna love them just as much as me. Let me know which ones you liked the best down below. I'm obsessed with these. I just think they are perfection. I like that they have a brown side with the green lens that's kind of like a marbly green, and then this super cute gold little like star detail. It's everything! So again, a big shout out to SmartBuyGlasses for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. I'm in love. So let's go ahead and get into the outfit. All right, so let's go ahead and build our first outfit, which I think there is nothing more classic, chic, and just winter than an all black fit. So I'm going to swap out this denim button up for a black ribbed long sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and tuck this into my jeans. My jeans are kind of like, I felt like I needed to size up, but now I'm wondering if I needed to stay with my true to size, but I don't know, I'm gonna pair a belt with it, so it's gonna be fine. It's not that they're like too big, it's just they don't like cinch me in enough as I would like them to. They don't snatch me. But anyway, so we've got the black long sleeve, and I'm gonna pair it with a belt. Now I'm a black and brown girl. I know some people aren't, but I am. Okay, so black base with a brown belt. Hear me out, I think this is gonna work. So, does it snatch me in a little bit more? Yes, it does. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do something fun. We're gonna pair some red sneakers. So it'll be like kind of like a pop. So I'm gonna throw on my red little gazelles. No, the color of the season is red, so. Oh my gosh, my pants are so freaking hairy. Wrinkles. All right, so red shoes, black fit, brown belt. Hear me out. I got this coat. Love it. It's kind of got the brown, which is why I thought it would top or pair well with my brown belt, but it's black base. This is the softest coat. So good. It's more of like a coat again, I would say. Oh, I didn't. I'm trapped. Hold on here. I can't get my arm out of here. Here we go. There we go. I love it. What is going on with my hair today? What the? I think it turned out super cute. Okay. So, now I'm going to throw on some laxones. Could also do brown. My glasses are never not dirty. And if this is more of an office outfit for you, simply change out the sneakers for black flats, black boots, brown boots, because you've got the brown in the belt, red flats, whatever. But I think this is super chic, super casual, super cute. And I honestly love the red sneakers because this is kind of a dressy outfit, but with the red sneakers, it's like fun. It screams fun. It screams she's cool. So, love it. This is such a cute first outfit. Let's move on to outfit number 2. All right, so look number 2, we're going a little more of like classic colors instead of all black. So I'm gonna go in with some navy trousers and a little gray sweater, and then continue with the pop of red. I'm a huge fan of red, so let's go ahead and get this next outfit. Again, most of these outfits could be worn anywhere, which I love. I have a very like classic, I guess you could call it classic style with some fun pops, but let's go ahead and swap out our layers. Ooh. for a little bit more color. Abercrombie's trousers truly are some of the best. Okay, so if full red sneaks aren't your cup of tea, but you still want to like play up a little red, I've had this little red belt since I was in college, I think. Kept it all these years. I don't know where the heck it's from, probably Target. It literally doesn't say. Either Target or probably like Loft or something like that. But I love a little red belt moment. A thin one is super cute. You can get them anywhere. But I've had mine forever. Oh, something I remember about this belt though is it doesn't have enough like belt loops, because this is when everybody wore their belts low. So you can simply just take and still just put it in, slide over the little disky thingy, and just push the belt down like that. Or you can always make your own hole, but you don't have to like put it through. I think this is super cute. So now let's layer on a gray, light gray sweater. You can always keep the black, but I think I want the gray for a little bit of warmth. I'm just keeping the black long sleeve on, I guess, for layering purposes. You could always do a white one and poke it out the top as well. This one you can't really see with this sweater. I'm gonna go full tuck. I love navy and gray and red. It's so cute. Now, I love this. So cute. Again, you could wear this to the office. You could wear it just anywhere. Super cute. I love the pop of red. It just completely elevates this outfit and changes the look of it. Now, because I'm more of a casual person, I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with sneakers. I could pair my red sneakers with it again, but I'm not going to. I think I'm actually just gonna go classic and do my white Converse. Gazelles would be cute, or Sambas would be cute with this as well. I love this gray and red belt situation. It's everything. Okay, since we're working with a lot of cool tones, with the gray that's cool, navy blue, the red belt, I wanted to actually throw it on with like a brown coat. So let's see if my vision actually works. But that was my thought process. This little brown coat from Old Navy. I got this in gray. I just ordered it because I like this coat a lot. Okay, I honestly think this is cute. I will say the brown is kind of a cool tone brown. It's not necessarily super like warm and like a warm tone. It's more of like a cool tone brown. But I love this. This is super cute. I'm here for it. It's casual enough with the sneakers, but again, if you want to swap this out for more of like an office wear, boots, flats, anything. So classic, so cute. I would probably though throw it on with a hat. I love it. Throwing on my favorite jeans of all time. I feel like these look different on the website than they do in person. I wish that I loved more colors of these, because these are truly my favorite jeans, and you guys ask me about them often. Like a lot of you have asked me. I give them out in links, but I feel like they look different than in person, but they are so perfect. So let's finally get rid of the black and go in with a little striped button-up moment. I feel like I used to love the look of sweaters and button-ups, and I haven't worn one in a hot minute. So let's do it today. So love the Abercrombie oversized button-ups. They're the perfect amount of oversized. And then this little cream cable knit I got from the J. Crew Factory store. Don't sleep on J. Crew Factory. It's so good. We just got one in Schaumburg and I love it. So. Here goes my eyebrows. As always, I actually don't think I want to put the collar out, because I want more of like a loose look. So I'm not going to button it so that it can be seen. I'm going to just kind of show it out the bottom and out the sleeves. Okay. And then let's go ahead and pair it with my little neutral gazelle bolts. I think those will look cute with the sweater. Once Adidas is no longer cool, which will probably be like next year, I'm gonna be like, why do I have 4 pairs of Adidas? Kidding, I only have 3. I have yet to wear these jeans with these sneakers. Oh, okay, they look kind of cute. They still work. Because these are such a straight leg pant that I feel like sometimes they don't work. Should I do a little, oh yeah, I like that even better. Okay, I love this. Okay, if you have not seen, where is my little hacker? My fashion hack video, you missed out. I will link it down below. I want this to be tucked constantly, but I want to be able to pee. So I'm going to do this to the sweater, this little stitch fixer. And then I'm just going to tuck it in. It's like a little plastic tagger, if you will, but it works great for just achieving a folded up look. But I don't want to put the sweater into the jeans because then I won't be able to pee throughout the day. So you get this look, and if it falls out, it still stays like this. You know what I mean? So cute. Love this. I love the little cuff in the jeans as well. You could always stitch that as well if you wanted to. Put fun socks on would be adorable as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna also pair this with a coat. Right? Ooh, I have this beautiful, yes. Okay. I have this coat I haven't worn yet. I got this from Primark. It's this green, which I love. Okay, we're just gonna do a over the shoulder movement. Yeah, oh, I love this. This is cute. Get the, yes. Yes. I love this look. So cozy, so comfy, and I like the green. It's very neutral, but still really fun. I was gonna pair brown, but I think the green looks way stinking cuter. Okay, so for the last outfit, I thought we would do something a little more like night, I guess, if you will. Back to an all black fit, but let's go more of like a classic. I guess you could wear that. I wouldn't wear this stuff, because I'd wear this out. Okay, so let's change into our base layer. See, and you just simply pull it apart and it comes unattached and no issues. It's the best thing in the world. Now I'm gonna do tights and a black skirt. So we are doing all black on black. I get my hands on some sheer black tights, but for now all I have is opaque. I'm too old for this. Broke a hip putting on tights. This is 30. This is 30. Throw on my little Chelsea boots. I love these with tights and a skirt for the winter. Now, yes, base outfit, super cute. Yeah, this is not office friendly. She's a little short in the booty, but it's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a chunky tan scarf. I did this in one of my Pinterest videos, and you guys really loved the brown with the black, and so did I, surprisingly. This is like drinks with the girls. And then I'm gonna do my little boohoo coat. Yeah, I think it'd be cuter with sheer tights, so you can kind of see some breakup in it, because it's like, just looks like one solid black outfit. But it's really cute. All right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up my 5 cozy, warm, comfortable, little chic winter outfits for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, let me know what your favorite outfit was down below, and do not forget to check out SmartBuyGlasses. I'll have my code right here, as well as all the details in the description box down below. You guys are gonna love them. I know, super affordable, but also super high quality. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.